Welcome back. In this new tutorial, I will guide you how you can fit everything on one page. And here you can see that some text is spilling over to the second page. And you are trying to resize the rulers to make it fit like this one. It is still not fit enough to fit on the one page. So how you can do that? For this you need to select the entire text and go to the home and click on shrink one page, and here you can see that everything is fit on one page in just a one click. So the question is, where is the shrink one page? For this you need to right click on the any empty space on the ribbon and click on the customize the ribbon. And here in the customize ribbon you need to click on this arrow and click on this all commands. And now type S to go to the S, and here you need to find shrink one page. And here is the shrink one page. You just need to select it and click add, and the message says you need to have to create a customs group. For this you need to click on this new group to make a new group and name it any name, for example remit, and for example help, and select any icon, and now shrink one page and click add, and here now it has been added. So click OK to apply, and this will be added to the shrink one page. I have already that. So this way you can easily fit everything on one page in Word document in just a simple one click. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.